How to protect your Snapchat account from hackers. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now, first things first, you can just go ahead and make sure that the Snapchat that you are using is up to date. This can ensure the security integrity of the application, making it harder to hack your account from the hackers. Right after that, you can just go ahead and open up Snapchat right here, and you can go ahead and enable something like two-factor authentication. When logging in your account, you'll need to provide an actual login code after your password, making it harder to log in your account by some unknown people. Your login code will be sent via SMS. Messages rates may apply or can be generated by an app like a Google Authenticator app or other authenticator apps out there. Once you enter your login code, you will then go ahead and have the ability to have access to your account. So the only ones that can log in your account are the person that has the two-factor authentication codes, which is you. So you can just go ahead and make sure that your account has the two-factor authentication, and this will provide huge security on your Snapchat account. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.